Hello everyone. Welcome back to channel. Myself Sharat K from 77 Mechanical Engineer. Today we are gonna discuss about introduction to flexible manufacturing system. A flexible manufacturing system is a production method that allows for the easy adaptation of production processes to changes in the product being manufactured. It helps to increase manufacturing efficiency and responsiveness. Definition and concept of flexible manufacturing system. Automation and integration. Flexible manufacturing system or FMS involves the integration of computerized control systems, robotics, and automation to create a seamless and efficient manufacturing process. Customization and adaptability. FMS allows for the customization of product variation within the same production process, providing adaptability to changing customer demands. Modularity and scalability. It consists of modular workstation and equipment that can be easily reconfigured and scaled to accommodate different manufacturing needs. Advantages of implementing a flexible manufacturing system. Enhanced efficiency. A FMS contributes to improved efficiency through reduced setup times, minimized material handling, and optimized production flow. Cost saving. By reducing waste, labor costs, and lead times, FMS helps in achieving significant cost saving for manufacturers. Product innovation. It facilitates a rapid product development and customization, leading to enhanced innovation and market competitiveness. Components and elements of a flexible manufacturing system. Robotic systems. Robotic arms and automated machinery play a vital role in FMS, enabling precise and efficient manufacturing processes. Computer Integrated Manufacturing or SIM. SIM system coordinates various production aspects such as design, product planning, and process control, ensuring seamless operation. Computer Integrated Manufacturing. SIM system coordinates various production aspects such as design, production planning, and process control, ensuring seamless operations. Types of flexible manufacturing systems. Flexible assembly systems. These systems focus on assembling various product configurations, accommodating changes in size, design, or components. Flexible machining system. They are designed to handle diverse machining operations, allowing for rapid changeovers and customization. Flexible manufacturing cells. These cells consist of interconnected workstations that can adapt to different production requirements and product variations. Case studies and examples of successful flexible manufacturing system. Automotive industry. Leading automotive manufacturers have implemented FMS to streamline production, enhance quality, and increase production flexibility. Electronics manufacturing. Electronics companies utilize FMS to produce a wide range of devices with varying specifications and configuration efficiently. Aerospace engineering. The aerospace sector employs FMS to produce complex and customized parts while meeting stringent quality and safety standards. Challenges and consideration in implementing a flexible manufacturing system. Initial investment. Implementing an FMS involves significant initial capital investment in technology, training, and infrastructure. Workforce training. Training the workforce to operate and manage the advanced FMS technologies is crucial for successful implementation. System integration. Integrating the existing manufacturing system with new FMS components requires careful planning and seamless integration.